Hello YouTube, this is Sheetaboo. It is officially midnight on Sunday and I'm showing you the time on the computer. And this is, my tripod is having some issues. Do it this way. Alright. Now, so I've turned off my comments. I have a total of, it says here 32, but one of those is a duplicate, so I have a total of 31 entries. I put those in my Excel spreadsheet here, like I've seen other YouTubers do. Hopefully that comes off well. So, what I'm going to do now is go to random.org and I'm going to put in my number here in the generator. I have a total of 31. So, let's see who that will be. Number 6. So let's go back to the spreadsheet. And number 6 is Adamsvanlou. Congratulations. All right. We're going to, I don't know other way to do this, so let's see if I can, here we go. Alright, so let's do this again. Go back to random.org. And we have 30 people in here now. Let's generate number 9. Tamika S. 927. Okay, I'm not on the screen. Tamika S. 927. Alrighty. And now we have 29. This is the final winner. We're going to go back to random.org here. And we're going to generate one more number. Really? That's interesting. Okay. That's who number 3 is. Are you kidding me? Phenomenalagent is the winner. Alright, thank you all for watching and participating. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey YouTube, this is Sheetaboo. It is Sunday, actually it's Monday at 12:13 a.m. I just finished filming the choosing of the 3 giveaway winners, and so I'd like to say congratulations to Adamsvanlou, Tamika S. 927, and Phenomenalagent, and I hope I got those all right. They are new subscribers, and I thank you for subscribing to my page. I thank you for checking me out and participating. And for all my old subscribers, I thank you for following me and staying with me through the bad cell phone camera, the car videos, and all that. I just appreciate your support. Thank you, Deb, for calling me. She called me the other night when I posted my video, and she was so excited. And you know, sometimes you're excited, or you can be excited by yourself, or you're a little nervous, but when someone supports you and they're excited with you, it helps. And just to, since I'm on camera with my bantu knots in my head, my hair is still in mini twists. they just shrunk up as I continued to moisturize them and everything. So I came home from church, put a little water on them, a little hot water, spray, twisted them, Bantu knotted them. So I should have some curls tomorrow. But yeah, thank you all. I really appreciate it. Inbox me your email address, your mailing address, and your name. I will be passing that information along to Pam, and she will be shipping your choice directly to you. So there's no mid-party handling and anything of that. So I hope you guys enjoy your product. Please, when you receive your product, when you try it, if you've never tried it before, just do a video response or message me and let me know how you like it. I experienced her butter, and I'm sure it's a video in here, a long time ago. I think I won my first sample from Pam on probably Curly Nikki. And I really enjoyed that butter. I mean, it even dirty hair, clean hair, dry hair, bad product, you put that on there and twist it or Bantu knot it or braid it, and it just seems like it works a miracle on your hair. So that being said, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Be blessed. Stay beautiful inside and out, just like God intended. Bye.